Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a good news coming here. There is a big news coming from Capgemini that Capgemini is going to hire 19 and 20 graduates. Okay, so BE, BTech, ME, MTech. So we will talk in details. And friends, the most important thing here is they are just asking for 50% marks in your graduation. Okay, so only 50% marks is required, and the last date to register is 9th of January. Okay, so you can see here scored 50% and above in diploma, graduation, okay, and MCA. You can see MCA, BE, BTech, ME, MTech. Okay, so all these branches are applicable, and the last date to register is 9th of January 2022. Now friends, as you know, so opportunities for 19 and 20 graduates will be very less in 2022, right? Because already it's been 2 years. Okay, so you have been graduated now, so opportunity will be less for 19 and 20. So it is a golden opportunity coming from Capgemini Exceller off campus drive for 19 and 20 graduates. Now, how you have to prepare: free resources, syllabus, see syllabus, test pattern and strategy. So each and everything definitely I'll be discussing in this particular video. Okay, so you can watch this, you can go through this video. I will share the link in the description, so you can see everything I have discussed here. Okay, so what will be the syllabus, the pattern, okay, in pseudocode what you have to study, how you will be getting the links for your free preparation, what kind of questions will be asked, so you do not have to worry at all. So please watch the video till the end, and if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe, and please spread this openings to each and everyone near and dear ones, because for 19 and 20 definitely the opportunities will be less. Now, so one thing, it's very clear that this is an off campus drive, Capgemini Exceller off campus drive for 1920 graduates. It has been written right clearly. Now, so let us come down and see here. So what are the eligibility criteria? So candidate must meet all of the following criteria. So only graduates of 19 and 20. If you're from 18 graduate, 21, 22 not applicable. Simple 19 and 20. Academic qualification. So either you have done MCA, BE, BTech, open for all branches for both BE and BTech. Matlab civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, everything. Okay. MEM Tech student must be only from information technology, information science, computer science. Scored 50% and above in diploma, graduation, aggregate of 8 semester, and MCA aggregate of 6 semester, MEM Tech. Candidates should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone. More than 1 year of gap, please do not write. Okay. Then the academic milestone stages considered as 10th, 12th degree and post graduation. Candidates should not have any gap within an academic milestone. Okay. Now, so candidate appeared for 12th twice will be considered, provided both the mark sheets are available. Okay. Now, candidates should not have taken more than 4 years to complete BE BTech. That means if we have taken 5 years, means you are not applicable. Candidates should not have any backlog. So when you are appearing for the process, you should not have any backlog. Okay. Now, so these are the all required things. Only I am telling. Now, last date to register is January 9, 2022, and the test assessment for registered student will begin from January 14th onwards. Okay. So 9th, you will be having last day to register, and from 14th onwards, you will be having, like after Makar Sakranti, you will be able to write the test. The test will be announced. So our assessment test, technical assessment pseudocode. Okay, so that is what we have discussed here. So what all rounds will be there? So pseudocode will be there. Okay, and then multiple choice question based on English communication test. So you can see here. So verbal ability will be there, and then we will be having game based aptitude, and then behavioral competency test, and the fifth round will be technical and HR interview. So this video is definitely going to help you a lot, because see, you need test pattern, you need syllabus, you need strategy, and you need free resources. So here in this video I have discussed all these free videos for you. Okay, so you can just have a look at that. Okay, now, so you will be easily able to register from here. Okay, and all the rounds will be the elimination round, so that is also discussed, except the behavioral ability test. Okay, so all the round will be the elimination round. It's written here elimination, yes, 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 and the last round will be behavioral competency test, will be no. Okay, and again, you can see here. So in behavioral competency test, what all will be asked, each and everything has been discussed, friends. See this one single video, it's been also written one video for all your queries. So if you watch this video, then Capgemini you will be easily able to know, and you will be well prepared that okay, what you have to prepare for. Okay, now, so friends, you just need to click here on the register now, and then you will be redirected to the superset registration. Okay, see Capgemini engineering MCA batch 1920 XLR, and all those things has been discussed, and your CTC is 3 lakhs per annum. Okay, so again the same thing has been written here. So eligibility criteria first check and then only apply. Each and everything will be mentioned, and this is here again, apply now. So if you have any superset account, please do register with the email ID. Okay, and then you will be getting a message on a pop-up message that you have successfully applied for the job. So friends, once again, before I go, I wanted to tell you, if you're from 19 and 20 graduates, opportunities for you will be less. Okay, now please utilize this opportunity. This will be a golden opportunity for you guys, and definitely we at Online Study for You will be completely taking care of your needs for getting into Capgemini. So you have 7 days more to apply, and after 14th you will have the examination. Okay, so friends, all the best. Now only I'm telling, and whoever are going to trust on us that we are going to completely do Capgemini questions. Okay, and all this, the similar pattern of Capgemini, everything we will do on our channel, free videos we will do. So please do trust on us, and your journey will be successful with us definitely if you follow our videos and whatever we are saying. Okay, so thank you friends, and please do apply. The link will be given in description. Thank you, take care.